How many times you've been broken down?
In a month, 3 to 4 times.
Today, but today?
Today maybe 5-6 times.
5-6 times the engine. Ford Transit or Ford Transit Custom with a 2.2 diesel engine not starting. Well, it could be many reasons, but here we have a very common one, easy to identify, and then also a quick fix for it because it could happen anywhere. Those engines, they have a high pressure system and low pressure system. Low pressure is basically a fuel pump inside the fuel tank. That's its purpose is to push the fuel from the tank towards the engine, towards the fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump. Now what happens, the power supply on that particular pump drops, and drops because of bad contact. Now here is the fuse box, and this fuse, this is the fuse 24, I just checked on a diagram. This fuse, it powers the electric fuel pump in the tank. Now we're just gonna do a test. So can we have the engine running? So when we start the engine, in here we should have the battery voltage. So this is the problem. No, it's fine, switch it off. So what happens? The fluctuation, voltage fluctuations happens because where the fuse goes into the slot, the pins are widening there. Over time, connection heat due to the electricity made those pins to get and widen. And this fuse, which you should power up the fuel pump, is interrupting the circuit, not because it's blown, but because of a bad circuit in here. Now the fix will be to take all the fuse box off, and from the other side replace the slot where this where the fuel pump fuse should go into. Now we're going to do a quick fix on this van because it's a delivery van. I have to do some deliveries up to a point that it's going to come back. And what we're going to do, those pins, we're just going to bend them. So I've got a fuse already prepared. So we've done some marks on it, so, and try to bend them a little bit. And now if this works, when we're going to put it on, it's going to be a bit harder to go in, which it is. And now when we're going to check with the engine running, we should have constant battery voltage, and even if we're going to move the fuse, this is not going to change. So can we have the engine running, please? See? And look, if we try to, so even if we're going to move the fuse, the voltage stays there, permanent, no fluctuation, and like that there is constant power supply to the fuel pump. The van is not going to be broken down. Can you switch it off? Sorry, can you tell me something? How many times you've been broken down?
In a month, 3 to 4 times.
Today, but today?
Today maybe 5-6 times.
5-6 times the engine.
Time, yeah.
And then it was hard to turn it on.
It's very hard to start, and when I take it out the fuse pump, then again I restart. Again I need to wait 10 minutes. So weird and so stressed in the delivery.
Only because it was a loose connection. But now the way that we bend the fuse, this should be no problem anymore. The van should be right. So this is quite common on a Transit Custom with the 2.2 liter engine. The fuse on the fuel pump goes, but again, not the fuse, the slot where the fuse goes into. Stay close for more videos related to car repairs. Do you like what you see? Subscribe to our channel for more content.